What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Nick Bartel, Editor-in-Chief for TechnoWarriorstv, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be taking a look and unboxing the Corsair CV Series CV550 non-modular 550 watt power supply. So as you can tell, looking at this power supply, it is looking really nice. It's a brand new CV series, which is more of a budget line. There is a 450 version and a 550 version. First of all, I want to give Andrew Williams from Corsair, call sign Holiday, a big shout out and thank you for sending us out to the show. So without further ado, let's go ahead and begin this unboxing. I'll be right back with an instrument. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have our instrument here. So first of all, what we're going to do, we're going to bring this forward so you can see this better. Now, put this a little to the side so you can see it better. I can show you. So as you can see here, we have the CV550 logo, CV series, ATX power supply. Picture the product here. Bronze. This has an 80 plus bronze certification. Corsair logo on there, and pretty much on the left and right sides here, CV and CV as well. And then showing closer what you can get. See some of the features. We have a 120 millimeter fan. You can have everything nice and quiet and cool. Okay. More things you can see here. Now it's time to unbox this little bad boy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an instrument tool right here. Alright, so a little closer up of the power supply here. You can see that features some things like the dimensions right here. Okay, sorry about my head getting in the way. Fan noise level, input, and all that fun stuff. A little closer up here, you can see some of these things. Okay. Now, we'll go ahead and open this guy for you. First of all, important information. It's going to be your manual, power cord, power supply itself. It's always fun, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh. Don't you love that new power supply smell? Please like this video if you love the smell of new power supplies. And want to know something that really tickles my fancy? It's a lot of the cables are really nicely looking. This is one nice power supply. Little baggie here for whatever you want to do with it after you take out these screws. Yeah. Throw that away. Ladies and gentlemen, here's what it looks like. This is one really compact little power supply. Look how small that is. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is what comes with the Corsair CV550 550 watt power supply. As you can see here, we got a user's manual, baggie of screws, and the power supply itself with a power cord, as you can see here. Bring that better in the picture. Wow. So, ladies and gentlemen, be sure, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you hated the video, hit that dislike button. But if you adored the video, all you have to do is strangle that subscribe button, slap that like button in the face, and pow, right in the kisser. Big shout out to Andrew Williams from Corsair, call sign Holiday, for sending us out to the show. Make sure you stay tuned for the full video review coming soon to Techno Warriors TV. Thank you so much and have a great day.